Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Palaksha, and today we are gonna explore the village. I'm still in my village and we're gonna explore the farm plus garden here, and it's super duper fun. But before we start, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It is pretty much like a frock. It's actually a frock suit. It's one of the dresses wore in India. And yeah, this is one of my favorite dresses. It has this thing. This is like the top. And then we have the lehenga type. This thing. This is pretty much like a frock, but it's called a frock suit because it comes with a dupatta, which I eventually tied here. So guys, we're starting here, and yeah, so the first flower which we have is, which flower? Let's look for a flower first. Is this one. Let me just sit down. Is this one. These pinkish flowers. These flowers are, I don't know how cool they are. They're very cool. And I don't really know what they're called. So if you know what they're called, please comment down below. And then the second one, the second flower we have is, oh please get aside. Let's do down. I have to sit down again. I don't like sitting down. I have to be high. Is this one. This is I forgot the name. I'm gonna write the name down, so see it. Read it out. I don't really remember what it's called. The third flower I think we have is this pink one. I have to sit down again. This one. It's so pretty. All the flowers are super pretty here. That's why I like this place so much. And look at this flower. Like seriously, it's so pretty. Like, do you guys want to see it from the front? I don't think you should. The plant will break, and I don't want that to happen. The next flower is this one. You guys can see it? No, that's a far away one. This one, look. It's a pink color, but it's looking like red on the camera. So yeah, it's actually a pink flower. Remember that always. And what flower should I show you guys next? This one. So guys, our sixth flower, I don't know, our fifth flower is this one. This is like a peachy color flower, and it's pretty. It's rose, and yeah, it's just bouncing there. Bouncing again and there, again and there. I don't know what I'm saying yet. And we have a lot of kinds of rose here. Then we have this white rose. I love this rose because it looks super pretty on me. All the roses look super pretty, but they have the needle thing coming out of them. Like this. Hey. Like the thing. I don't really know what they call this. The sixth flower we have is this one. It's red. It appears red, and it is red. And yeah, ow. I think I got hurt from one of the needle thing. Okay, so let's just stay away from that. And the 7th flower we have is this huge one. It's not really clear, so I don't know how to show you guys. Will I be able to show it? Or will I not be able to show it ever? Hey, where's the camera locating? I don't know. Let's just get this here. And this is the flower. It's red and orange mixed. Ow, there was something on it, like an insect. Oh, I was scared. The next flower we have is this one. This again, it's the one. It's pretty, it's super pretty, and yeah. The next flower we have is there. I can't bring it close to me. You guys can see those yellow flowers, those yellow and red flowers. They're the next flowers. And then we even have some flowers here. Here, which flower have I not shown? Oh, that one. Okay, so look at this flower. This is also rose, but it grows in a bush thing. It grows together. So I don't really know what it's called. It's a rose, a magenta type of rose. The color which I'm wearing, it's the same color. The next flower we have is this one. Wait guys, let me sit down. This one. You guys can't see anything. It's so hard to record. Like this one. Just guys see the flower, not me. This flower also grows in a bush like the rose one grows. So yeah. Ow, the camera tilted a little bit. That's fine. Oh, and I missed the flower here. It's a magenta flower. You can only see one of them. Like, they're so pretty. Wait, let me just... The camera tilted twice. This one. No need to see me, just see the flowers. So, yeah, that's the next flower. And now we're gonna move on to plants. And guys, now we're gonna see the plants go back here where we started with the flowers. The first plant is right here. These big leaves, they are cucumbers, I think. Yeah, they're cucumbers, and we don't really have any cucumbers right now. I would show you if we had, and we're not able to see the cucumbers. Sad. And this is also a cucumber plant under me. Next one we have is this plant. I don't really know what this is. So yeah. And the next plant we have is this one. This is, I think, this is Tulsi. It's called Tulsi in Hindi. I don't know what it's called in English. It's Tulsi. We have more Tulsi here. This one is Tulsi. That one is not the Tulsi. Then we have this plant. This one, guys. This one. This is the areca palm. Yeah, that's what it's called. Then we have, oh my god, I don't really want to show this one, but I have to because it is in my village. This one. Do you see those spikes coming out? I got hurt with them once. They're too pokey. And they grow flowers in some season. I don't know which season. That tree is moving so fast. Like from here to there, there to here. And yeah, that's the spiky plant. Then we even have this one. And it has red leaves. I don't know why it has red leaves, but it has red leaves. So, and then here we don't really have any plants except this. Look guys, behind me, everywhere here actually, like I think this is a nice view. These plants, these tall ones, you can see, these are corn. This is corn plant. We have a lot of them. And I even missed one plant here. Oh guys, this one. You can see this stem or something. This is of the lemon. The lemon. The sour lemon. Okay guys, so there's another one. That one you can see. That is a Japanese fruit. Japanese fruit plant. So yeah. Then we have this plant here. So guys, one more and the most important thing of all, we have a dog here. And I don't really want to go close enough. So here he is. He is sleeping. He can wake up anytime. So let's just run. That's only the thing. Its name is... Can you tell us what's your name? I don't think you can. His name is Sheru. He's like 1.5 years old. And he's so huge already. Look at him. He's so huge. He's almost at the size of me if he stands up. So, yeah. That's all the flowers, plants, and the dog. So guys, that was all it. I hope you liked it for this vlog, another vlog. And don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Bye!